One of the angiographic classifications of spontaneous coronary artery dissection was developed by the NHLBI, the National Heart, Lung and Blood Institute. According to this classification, all dissections are divided according to their type during angiography into 6 types, denoted by Latin letters from A to F. Type A, radiolucent areas within the coronary lumen during contrast injection that do not persist after dye clearance with normal coronary flow. Type B, parallel tracts or double lumen evident on contrast injection with minimal or no persistence of dye after injection. Type C, dissection evident after dye injection in extraluminal space with persistence of dye. Type D, spiral dissection, as with Type C but with spiral luminal dissections with extensive contrast staining of the vessel. Type E, dissection appear as new persistent filling defects with impaired coronary flow. Type F, result in impaired flow and total occlusion of the coronary artery with no anterograde flow.